They are winning the world title, but they are having an Indian origin. You just watch the last 5 years. Alright, so we have to be so proud that our country is, even though we are here, through Stelly, we are producing the world's best intellectual kids in the whole world. And all the credit goes to our country and all the parents like you. Right? So that's the power of our country. Yeah, and all these kids sitting here, we don't know that they may also go to the next big level. Alright? So I have got a small competition now for all the children. Right? All the children, a small competition. I want to know how much energy you have. Energy, okay? So when I say spell, you will say B, alright? So the competition is between you guys and you guys and you guys and the top, okay? So when I say the word spell, you got to loudly say, what will you repeat? B. As loud as possible, okay? Alright, first this side, okay? Spell. B. A little more energy, spell. B. Did you hear that? Alright, she just screamed it to the court. Good. Alright, one last time. Spell. Alright, wait. Can you beat them? Can you beat them?